Check out this stunning T6.1 and the awesome Alpine audio upgrades completed on it. Alpine SPC 106T6.1 component speakers were chosen for the cab and Alpine S2-S65 coaxial speakers with pods for the rear of the van. They're a consistently great quality setup to go for on both the T6 and T6.1 and also the crafter vans. We've fitted many of these now and they never fail to amaze. Sound deadening was added to the outer door skin and the inner panel as always. We also activated the rear speaker's fader on the OE head unit to help create a sound balance suited to the customer. It's all great fun for us. If you're looking to have it fitted, please contact us for a quote. Get in touch here or Google us Professional Retrofits Limited and hit phone or contact us button there. See you soon.